morning, Lions, and welcome to Movie Night Friday, February 21st, at Linda Elementary School. I'm Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and as you know, there is just no place on earth that I would rather be than right here at Linda Elementary School with all of you great students, great staff, great faculty. We love it here. This is the best place to move. What movie night? Yes, you heard that right. Tonight, Linda Elementary presents Movie Night, 6:15 p.m. That's right, February 21st. $1 popcorn, cotton candy, and water. Can you believe it? Space is limited. First come, first serve. Children must be accompanied by an adult. Bring a blanket and a chair. Read that. Bring a blanket and a chair. It is going to be a blast. Not sure yet what the movie is going to be, but it's going to be something great. We are so looking forward to that. That is tonight. Don't miss it. Teachers, thank you very much for getting your lunch count and attendance in. Always really appreciate that. Another extra announcement today, Lions. This is about Read Across America. Now, we're going to have dress-up days all next week. I'm just going to go over Monday and Tuesday. Monday is Fox and Socks. Show your silly or favorite socks. And then Tuesday, Green Eggs and Ham. Wear something green. So a great dress-up day, dress-up days next week. That's going to be great. Lions, there are 3 words of PBIs. What are those 3 words, Lions? Ready to go. Respectful, responsible, safe. I've said it a million times. Respectful, responsible, safe is what it's all about. That's how you should be everywhere you go, campus, class, library, store, wherever you are. Be respectful of others. Be responsible. Make sure you're doing the right thing and be safe. Make sure that you're just observing safety precautions at all times. Very good. All right, let's take a look at some birthdays. We've got a lot of catching up to do. I'm not going to do it all today because it's just too much. We're going back all the way to the 14th. That's last Friday, Lions. Believe it or not, we got so far behind because of the holiday. But Federico Bernal, 5 years old in Mrs. Anderson's class. Hazik Khan, 10 years old in Mrs. Sether's class. And Zara Khan, 10 years old in Mrs. Egger's class. Evan Kong, 9 years old in Miss Daniels' class, Nali Yang, 6 years old in Mrs. Grant's class, and Juan Garcia Mendoza, 11 years old in Mrs. Coughlin's class. Happy birthdays to all of you. We will catch up with the next birthdays on Monday when we come back on Monday. Very good. Let's look at we do have one staff birthday. Actually, on Sunday, we have a staff birthday. That's Mrs. Waymeyer over in kindergarten. She is Mrs. Perez's para, and so happy birthdays to you, Michelle. Today is the 21st, and guess what we're having for lunch today? You're not going to believe this. Cheese quesadilla with pico de gallo, oh my goodness, and cilantro lime brown rice. Who gets that? And then also, there's like a second lunch, I believe, oven roasted turkey thigh with turkey gravy, mashed potatoes, dinner roll, the whole Thanksgiving on Friday. Thanksgiving in February. Then we're going to have some steamed carrots, broccoli, sliced cucumbers, milk, all the greatest stuff you can ever have there. All right, very good. Okay, let's look at a couple of roar cards, Lions. We're going to catch up on these two. This first one is Mrs. Williams recognizing Quetzali. Quetzali, thank you for all your help while Mr. Garcia and I subbed in class. Great job. Miss Crystal getting into the mix here, giving one to Mohadessa. Mohadessa and her classmate helped pick up Miss Crystal in the backpacks out of the rain before school. Got a heart there from Miss Crystal. Good job, Mohadessa. And this is Sawyer. Sawyer and her friend helped Miss Crystal pick up the backpacks out of the rain before school. That was when we had a rainy day last week. And then finally, Mrs. Adamson is recognizing Natalie here. Natalie is fairly new to our school and working very hard to get caught up. She is acting better. She is getting better at math and reading every day. Great job to you, Natalie. Let's see. Our winners, we have our drawing for today. So drum roll. Yeah, we have our winners for today. Yep, where did I go? I disappeared for a second, and look who we've got. First one is going to be Rosie in Mrs. Magana's class. Rosie, head up to get your prize. Next one is Yesenia in Mrs. Adamson's class. Yesenia, you are a drawing winner. The next one we have is Valerie Lopez in Miss Edwards' class. Valerie, head up and get your prize. And last, we have Layla in Mrs. Carlson's class. Layla, head up to get your prize. Very good. Okay, so we're going to talk about a joke here, Lions. Okay, I just had to make sure that I had that right. Lions, what school do you have to drop out of in order to graduate? Parachute school. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and stand for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off, facing the flag, hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, Lions, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Remember, be here every single day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out, right? And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.